with you for just a little while. But I love you the same way as I love you now. And I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight. That I want to hold you in my arms tonight. I would take the chance, 'cause it was to ride. Maybe when we meet again some other time. 'Cause tonight I'll only share my love with him. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in some places at the same time, believe me, I would share my love with you. Please like and share sa aming channel. Maraming salamat po sa mga nandiyan pa rin sumusuporta sa aking channel. Kahit hindi tayo nakapag-practice, makapag-upload man lang. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in some places at the same time, believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I will share my love with you.